Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to enable GitHub 2FA. So to start, go to github.com and sign in to your account. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Now look for settings from the drop down. So click settings. Now on the left side, look for password and authentication. So it's under access. You should see password and authentication. Click on that. Next, scroll down and you should see two-factor authentication. So under the two-factor authentication, so click enable two-factor authentication. Now in here, so choose your preferred authentication method. So you have Authenticator app or you have SMS authentication. So if you choose Authenticator app, so use apps like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy. Then you also have SMS, so you can receive verification codes via text message. So this is less secure than an Authenticator app. So you should use Authenticator app. So this is the most recommended one. But for this tutorial, we're gonna select SMS. Now in here, let's put in the country or region code.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
Then enter your phone number and click send authentication code. Then put in the code in here and click continue. And confirm the following prompts, and that's it. So if you choose an authenticator app, so you can scan the QR code with the app and enter the 6-digit code it generates to verify your account. Then download and securely store your recovery codes. So these let you regain access if you lose your authentication device. And on the last step, just click I have saved my recovery codes to finish enabling 2FA. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.